Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can win 3 times on Style Showdown, on the Style Showdown mode in Dress to Impress. So make sure you have fast walk. It is easier if you have fast walk. So keep that in mind. And then if you have custom makeup, make sure you save all of it in free play mode. I'm just going to look around the outfits a little bit. I think I'm going to do Glinda. I know that is overused, but honestly, I don't know what other outfits to choose right now, so I'm just trying to layer these outfits. Oh my god, what even? Only ribbon. Let's layer on some more here. I know people are probably sick of Glinda. I'm not, but sorry, I'm in the zone. Also, you only have what, 3 minutes to do this, so keep that in mind. Oops. Hello? Why am I? Oh. I don't really like the fit, but you know what? I'm gonna just leave the hair like this because at this point I don't have time. Oh my gosh, do we have the crown, please? Okay. Oh my god, she's also doing Glinda? Damn, okay. Well, there's going to be 2 Glindas here. Just going to accessorize here a little bit. Okay, no wands. I mean, I'm fine with that, but here's the look. I mean, she also did Glinda, but hopefully I did a better Glinda. I don't know. Let us be glad, Glinda. Let us be grateful. Let us rejoice and fight. Na, 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 na. All the workings of you know who. I should have been the Skylar sisters, but I don't know what to do. Oh my god, I did not copy her, okay? I have a better outfit. You know what? I don't care at this point. What is this feeling so sudden and new? Okay, what is this? I put the moment. I should have done Beetlejuice, but it's too late. What is feeling fervent as a flame? Does it have a name? Yeah. Loathing, unadulterated loathing for your face, your voice, clothing. Let's just say I love it all. Oh, what is this feeling? Who's Ilsa? Am I bugging? Who's Ilsa? I should have done Mean Girls, but let's vote. Now that you've all strutted down the catwalk, it's time to vote. What? To vote for your 3. Okay. Also, another tip, play with your friends because they can vote for you. Anyways, that is it for this video. I think it took so long. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.